welcome to our Minimouse PowerPoint tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a slide layout and how to add new slide to the PowerPoint presentation. So just to be easy, I have pre-opened a PowerPoint presentation for you, which has one slide on it. So I'm just going to add new slides and show you how to change each slide layout. Okay? So in regards to adding new slide, we are just going to go to Home tab. And on the Home tab, there's a Slides ribbon which has New Slides. Click the drop down and we can choose whichever content we want on this slide. So I'm just going to choose the title and content section. And again, I'm going to do the same thing again to add another one more slide. And I'm going to choose the title and content slide as well for the third one. So if I wanted to change the second slide layout, I'm just going to click the second slide, and under the slides ribbon, there's a drop-down menu called layout. I'm just going to click that layout and change the layout to content slide. Okay, and if I wanted to change the third slide layout, I'm just going to click the slide. We can do it in a different way, which is right click on that slide, which has a layout, and we can change it to comparison layout slide. Okay, so this marks the end of the PowerPoint layout tutorial. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe and share the video. Thank you for